Hello, Fias at home. This is Babolo in original. Mr. Sesan Adewusi, Tantolorun, Babolo in original worldwide. Honey as a medicine. If you check Holy Quran chapter 16, verse 68 to 69, it was written in the Holy Quran that God created an insect to live inside us and host, and He gave him power of authority to heal all kinds of sickness. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam even told his followers during his lifetime that the sickness that cannot be cured with honey, God did not create such sickness. John the Baptist, who baptized Jesus Christ when he was on the earth, he fed on honey and honey come during his lifetime. If you get honey, this is honey. I'm the publisher of 50 ways of using honey. Honey as a medicine, secret of honey, and others, secret of death. I publish many books on honey. But how can you know original honey? Because anywhere you go now, you go to stores, you go to supermarket, you go everywhere, honey is there. You go to those who are selling herbs and leaves, you can get honey from them. Those who are pulling trucks on the road, you can get honey from them. But how can you know original honey? I will tell you at least 5 ways of identify original honey. If you put original honey in your mouth, it will not last longer as sugar cane or sugar honey. Because we have different types of honey. We have sugar cane honey, we have sugar honey, we have hybrid honey, we have original honey, we have bee honey. Bee honey is the original honey that was written in the Holy Bible and the Quran that people should be using for their ailments. If you want to know original honey, when you put it in your mouth, it will dissolve quickly, unlike sugar cane honey. That is number 1. Secondly, the taste of original honey. If you open honey, it will, the smell that will be feeling be like the fruits of mango, fruits of guava leaves, because all these bees, they normally feed on fruits. So when you taste original honey or you feel it in your nose, you will be feeling the smell of guava leaves, mango leaves, and all other pineapple leaves and other fruits. If you put original honey, this is honey. If you put it in water, see it as I'm doing, it will go down. It will not spoil water. It will not float on water like kerosene. You know kerosene? When you put kerosene on top of water, when you put it in water, it will float. If you put palm oil or vegetable oil inside water, it will float. But see honey, it will go down straight inside. Even if you want to drink your tea, original honey will go down the way this one go down like this. When you want to eat, until you take your spoon to stir it together like this. If you don't stir it, it will never mix together. Let me tell you, it will never, unless you mix it together like this. Then another way, if you take a stick of matches like this, one of the stick of matches, you take it. This is honey, this is matches. Everybody can see me. If you are able to touch it like this, see. When you scratch it, it will light. That is original honey. It will light. See, it will not be too much. Oh, you just rub it on the matches like this. Then when you light it, it will light. That is original honey. Some people used to tell me that when they put honey on the ground, ants normally gather on it. Ants will gather on honey. Either it is original or it is fake. Anything that is sweet, ants, they like sweet things, they will gather on it. So you cannot compare you cannot judge original only with hands. Even when we are in the bush, I get buses of this honey bee buses. We get it in our farm. Hands is our problem. We used to rub this pancake oil. We used to rub it on our buses so that hands will not take most of our harvest. For more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, that is, come on the search box. Go to YouTube, type Baba Oloyin original, put space, then type original. You can find more of our videos. How you can cure yourself. You have hypertension, how you can use honey to cure it is our video. You have ulcer. Some people don't know that ulcer can kill people. It can kill person. Even if you have stubborn pimples, if you watch our YouTube, you will see us there. You will see how you can cure yourself. We are even published book. This is our latest book. Honey as a medicine. Honey as a medicine. This is latest book. All the things you cannot find in our video, you buy this book. It's 3,000 naira. You will get it. Or you come to our office, Baba Oloyin original, Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesi Ota, near Sango Ota, Ogun State. Or you can go to any of my agents. You go to Mushin, number 4, Lokola Street, Mushin. Bariga, you go to Unique Ventures, number 22, Ilaje Road, Bariga. We have 2 branches at Bariga. You can go to number 35, Abule Okuta Road. That is Kola Bis. So as I said, go to youtube.com. On the search box, type Baba Oloyin space original. There you find more of our videos.